everyone, my name is Yashfa. Welcome to my channel Learn with Yashfa. In today's video, I'm going to tell that how to make a slide on a PowerPoint. You must be thinking that why I'm on a laptop screen. The reason behind is just only that I wanted my topic to be a bit different from English grammar and those articles and others, etc. So that's why right now I'm here at a laptop screen. So first of all, you must guys be seeing this screen. We call it the topic screen, where we it can even be said an introduction slide because we everything we all like introduce something like what is the topic and etc. So that's why I've already made the topic how to make a slide. And on the other hand, my laptop is very slow. So there might be some disconnections between it, but I hope that it will be okay till my whole video. Okay, so first topic, the topic is how to make a slide. And now we want to put another slide. There are two options. First we can click over here where my mouse is, this one. Okay, here we click and then we can click the button enter on the keypad. Okay, so here comes the slide. Okay, this type of it can always come of this type because almost everything is about this, so that's why. And here when we click this new slide, the second option, okay, so these are the options. It gives us different types of options, and when we click the first option, if we like apply that one, so we get this type of this one, right, this slide. So now, for example, I want this picture with caption slide. Okay, these two. Like I write anything. For example, I write my name. Okay, and here I want to insert a picture. Okay, and if I tell you on ongoing, so I can even change its color, text color. Like here we click it first, we have to make it like that. We have to we can even do like this. When you write a text here, for example, it is already black, so we need to change it in a bit mustard, and it can't be changed like that until you select it. We have to select it, and then this is the color. We have to click it, and then here are the options which color you need. For example, I click mustard color. So, and as you can see this red line under it, it means that your spellings are wrong. But there are different types of name, but if we see in computer, it is like it doesn't know different types of name because it is a type of website. Okay, so if we need to remove this red line, like we can even do like this or remove it like that because it doesn't put any effect. And if you really need to change it, then you go at the end and you can see the spelling errors were found. Click to correct them. We can click this book type. Okay, so wait to look. Like here comes the word big, like I did a spelling wrong. But if you want it to stay like that, so you can do it ignore all or ignore once. As I'm going to do ignore all, so in my whole presentation, if I write beige, so it can't tell an error to it. Here. Okay, now here comes the Yashfa. It's the again reason like that, so I again ignore all. Okay, so the spelling error was completed. Okay, and for example, as I was telling you, I if I want to insert a picture over here, so at the home tab, you go a bit down, and at your left side, you see the option paste. But when, for example, like if I copy some picture from a Google when we type it, it can only be did that, and then we copy or paste, and then we copy, and then we can even paste it from here. For example, I click this. I don't think I must have a picture. Yeah, this is some like loom.com, the website which I copied. Okay, so that's why. And if you need to like paste it from your tab or folder, so wait, see, my PowerPoint is not responding. It's really slow. Okay, when you come in the insert tab, at the down there will be the option insert pictures. You have to click that. Okay, then you have to click this device. You can go subscribe and like until it is loading. And don't forget to like and share my video. Okay, so it's not responding. At the start of my video, I told you. Okay, here are the insert picture. Now we can choose any picture from it. Okay, so it is almost downloaded. Okay, here I pick up the picture balloons. It's not loaded yet, but I know the picture, so that's why. Okay, I click insert. Come on. Okay, so now here comes a picture. You can make it big, smaller, the size you really want. Okay, this was your first slide. This was now your second slide. Well, it's looking beautiful. And at the end, I'll tell how to add transitions and animations. Okay, well, it's we can even put it on the right or left, which wherever you want to. Okay. Now we here come at a third slide. This is the option for. Let me tell you, explain you. Here, this is the box where we have to insert a picture, and this is the box where we have to write the name of the picture. For example, if it is an animal, a creature, or food type, or whatever it is, etc., etc. We can put the name of it. For example, it could be an animal. For example, I take fox. Okay, and now here we have to write a description of it. For example, it is black, and if you are imagining, like you can even tell its age. It is 2 years old. Well, that's very calm, but well, we are practicing, so it could be. It is 2 years old, and then like whatever you want to write, and you can write. Okay. Now we have to pick a picture. So if you don't have it in your gallery, or you can even say it, so you have to go on Google, okay, and then over here, wait, you can like search fox, okay. There will be a picture of it. I think it's also app. Yeah, here you can click on any picture you want. Okay. Now here comes. And you might not have this one. I think we cut it from. Yeah. You have to click on it, and if you don't have, you can download it to like cut pictures or yeah, we call it snipping tool. Okay. Now we have to choose a picture. So we do like that. Okay. You can see, you can edit it. For example, I do something on its body. I know what I have done. So then we save snap or copy. So I'm going to save. Well, it's a long time. Now we have to put its name. We can put it Fox. It is saved. Now let's go on our presentation which we were working on. Now here I told you to insert a picture. Okay. Now let's go in home tab and then paste. Yeah, that's the same picture which we downloaded or copied, saved the image. You can like make it size small, big, or whatever you want. Okay, now let's imagine these were the only three slides. Okay, these are the only three slides. Imagining, and it's a bit different. Okay, so right now let's go into transitions. Now transitions are that if there's a picture or a slide, how it we have to represent. Okay, here comes the render bars. You can see a star that play animations. See, like that. Okay, when a slide will appear, it will come like that. It is applied on a slide. There are many different slides. Exciting, dynamic content, subtle. Let's use honeycomb. I've never choose that. Let's check. Wow, amazing. Now let's come over here. Sorry. Okay, airplane. Now let's again play animations. No, it doesn't look good. Let's do checkerboard. Wow, it's a bit similar to honeycomb. So I won't put that. My choice is very, very, very different. You might, you guys might not like copy me. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's go with animations. As I was telling that transitions is applied on slides, and I even said that it is also applied on pictures, but I was wrong. It is only applied on slides. I thought that it was, but then I knew that it is only applied on slides. It was a bit tricky, so I'm really sorry for that. Okay, now here are animations. See, if I click a picture, we can apply animations to it. These are very, very animations, right? Entrance, and faces, exit, grocery. I never do that. You see, there's already a star by the way. Did it work? Oh yeah, it's working. What has happened? No, it's not cool. It doesn't look cool. Maybe this, or let's do darken. Yeah, okay. So let's try. See. Nothing happened. Well, we'll see at the end of the result of it. Okay, now here, this is another picture. I like to zoom. Yeah, let's choose zoom. Okay, now let's see. Wow, that is cool. Now here's slideshow. Well, we won't do this because this is from current slide, and when we have to record something as I'm doing right now, but I'm not doing from this. And let me also tell you audio. Well, that was not in my topic, but let me tell you. See here, record sound. A mic will appear here. Okay. La la la. Now imagine that I'm recording a sound. Okay. Let's start it. Come on, it's not working. Oh, sorry. Okay, now it is recorded. Okay, now we have to click OK. As you can see a mic, many like makers say that we don't like a mic at the top. So we can even change its picture. We have to right click on it and then go scroll down. I think it's over here because my teacher told me. Wait. Yeah, you can even put a picture on it. Yeah. Wait. Let me check. Yeah, you can even put a picture in it to hide it. Like if you don't need it, like you don't want to see it, so you can even change its picture. I know it was here, but I don't know, like I'm mistaken or what is it. So you can put a picture in it, okay? So no issue on that, but I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to do that. Okay, so we can just put this 99 names of Allah. Well, that doesn't have to be here, but whatever you need it, so you can put that. So okay, now let's check our preview. What we did. At the last, you can see a book reading view. Okay, wait, guys. You know, is this recorded? See, just wait, guys. Wait a sec. I don't know what just happened right now. Okay, now we are back again. Okay, so as I did this, so there's a bit confusion as I'm recording it on my laptop. So this mic is also coming in it. So I'm going to delete it. But if you want to make it, you can do it. There's no issue. I have told you. Okay, so let's do it again. See, we did like that. Yeah. Yeah, we did it honeycomb. Yeah, but this picture didn't appear. Maybe that's my laptop issue. Okay. Well, that was a cool presentation. Like, no, that cool. So that was all for today. I hope you like my unique or a different video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you in my next video.